there, my name's Chris Palmer. In today's small business ideas video, what I'd like to share with you is how you can get more reviews and less negative reviews for your local small or medium business. Now, I don't want to waste any time. Let me share with you exactly how you can start doing this today. Now, I want to go ahead and share with you my client site, how they've implemented this so you can start doing it for yourself. So let's take a look here. If you come to the Number 7 Barbers review landing page, they've created a web page that's very simple. It says quite simply, would you recommend us to a friend? Now, when they are on this particular page, it says, would you recommend us to a friend? And there's either yes or no. Now, let me share with you how fun this is, and then I'll give you the step-by-step strategy so you can start doing this yourself with a QR code. So if you take a look at this, there is yes, and this will actually take us right over to Google. It'll open up the page to leave a review, or there is no. Now, this way, we're able to cut down on the negative reviews, but increase our positive reviews. And how we're doing this is with a QR code. Now, if they click on the no, if they did not like the service for whatever reason, sometimes this might happen, what they're brought to is a page that says, let us know how we can do this a little bit better, right? But instead, if they click on, hey, I really like this service, it takes them right over to leave a positive review. Right? So let me share with you exactly how they did this. You see, this particular strategy is implemented utilizing a QR code. And what's great about QR codes is Google has them built directly into the browser. Let me share with you how to create this. So first and foremost, once you create a page on your website, you could set it up just like this or create your own variation. You have a yes or a no option. The no option is going to take them to a form that goes to your email box. But if they like the service, then they can go right to Google and leave a review. Now, how we get them to the page is inside their brick and mortar business, they're using a QR code. So to create a QR code is very, very easy. Now, if you're using a Chrome browser, you can simply go to the page that you want them to land on if they want to leave a review, and you can have a sign in your business or on the back of your business card, or you can even put a QR code in your email. Now, here's what's great about this. A customer can scan it with their phone, but let me walk you through this. So you go to the page that you've created. Once you have put the yes and the no, again, the no goes to the contact form. The yes goes directly to the review page. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your page and come up here inside your Chrome browser. If you take a look here, there's a thing that's up here. It says share this page. You click on this and you click on QR code. Now you've created a QR code that you can literally download, and you can put this image on the back of your business cards. You can put it inside of an email if you wanted, or you could have a sign right inside of your business so a person could just take their phone, scan it, and then be brought right to this page. And then if they did not like the service, they can click, no, I didn't like it. It'll take them over to this page that says, hey, let us know how we could do a little bit better. But if they did like it, let's say we go to yes, it'll bring up, bada bing, bada boom, here's the review page. Now, if you're curious of what link you use to create this review pop out, let me go ahead and share that with you now. So if you come over to your business, let's say that this is your business. You have a GMB listing or a Google Business Profile listing. When you're on this particular listing, if you click on this reviews tabs here, so here's my business. If you click on reviews, it'll give you a pop out. Now this URL that's up at the top, if I copy this and bring it over here and Control V, that means paste, this will take it right to the pop out. All right, so this is exactly how you do it. You create your page. You let them have either a yes or a no option. Did we do a good job? Yes, takes you to the review. If it's no, it takes them to a contact form. I hope that this has been helpful. This is a little bit different than just the QR codes that I've seen people sharing with online. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any other small business idea questions, please feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next Small Business Ideas, How to Get More Positive Reviews and Less Negative Reviews video. Have a wonderful day.